So I need to go to the dentist, but I'm so scared. Like, I understand how scared I am. I need to get my wisdom tooth. It's more on this side, but maybe they want to go this one too. But it's mostly on this side. I need to go make appointments, but I'm terrified. I hope they could have me sedated or whatever because I don't like pain. But I'm so scared. I don't know what to do. I've been thinking about this for months. But I need to go. I am gonna do it. Like, but I'm here watching YouTube. I'm actually uploading I just finished edit a video and I'm about to upload it. Bro, my face hate me. Whatever. Anyways, once it's can't really see it because it's 2 minutes bright, but it's at 75%. My hair look crazy right now. Don't mind my hair. Don't mind my hair. Don't mind my hair. But the friggin' guest bag is on sale for 41. Oh, what's not focused said? Yeah, I hope y'all see it. It said $41. Like, what? Because you know I'm about to cop that, right? Because I said I love that bag. I actually just uploaded that vlog today, which is Wednesday. So, yo, hi. What? What? Damn, in your face. What? I'm copping this, like, right now. Oh my gosh. Oh, they have different color. They have this looks, oh wow, this is so cute. You're gonna see the blue bag, the blue guest bag that I like. This bag right here. Just uploaded the vlog for it. I should have been uploaded before Thanksgiving, but I was busy, man. But I'm so happy it's on sale for $41. What? What? Oh, yeah, that's my new phone case. Love yourself. Period. I'm watching Petite Sue vlogmas. I love her vlogs. But yeah, back to this bag though. Oh my god, I'm in love. And it's blue, of course, so you know I'm in love. Why isn't it going? Oh, that's it. Oh gosh. Oh no, that's not it. OMG. Oh child. I love this bag. I'm copping it right now before that go out of before it gets sold out. Usually ships within 2 business days. Ow. Like what? This bag is everything, bro. My face is clearing up somewhat, but then you can still see the spots. But man, I ain't stressing it. It is what it is. My favorite word to say, it is what it is. Window shopper, mad at me, and nigga know why. Man, you a window shopper. Why am I singing that song? I'm a bug. I am. I'm trying to see if I should order it when it comes to my house or go pick it up from the store. Because I could go pick it up after work. Because I get off work at 5. But I think if I do pick up, it's going to be longer than 2 days. But yeah, it says to pick up in 6 to 9 days at downtown Brooklyn, the one that I just went in the same vlog just now. So, damn. I mean, it's not like I need it right away. I can wait. And I'm pretty sure it's gonna be there before 6 to 9 days. So, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do a pickup. Hopefully they have it in unboxing thing. I wanted to open it though and show y'all. That's why I'm contemplating if I should just go pick it up or I should let it come to my house. But sometimes honestly, some these people out here be stealing packages. Like I don't got time for that. Like they really stealing your shit. Just into my job. That's what I had to do the other day when I ordered my Walmart stuff. I just into my job. But I don't want it in no big ass box. Then I gotta travel with that shit from Manhattan to Brooklyn. Cause they be really putting small stuff in a big ass box. Like for what? I don't know what to do. Should I go get it or should I let it come here? I made my purchase and I decided to go pick it up because I'm not playing with nobody. I need my bag. So to be safe, I'm gonna just go pick it up because I don't got time to curse somebody out. So yeah. They're gonna text me when it's ready. I'm gonna say today's Wednesday. I'll probably get it sometime next week. Probably Monday or Tuesday or something. We'll see. It says preparing to ship to Macy's downtown Brooklyn. I'm not playing. I want this bag so bad. For this price, hell yeah. You know the other, I'm looking for the other black bag that I saw and I thought it was like Prada or something, or Gucci or something. I cannot find that bag on the app. It's not on the app. I'm about to go on Google and search it and see if I can find it on there because I don't understand why I can't find that bag. Some type in black. Damn, where's that bag? I want it. So, I don't know. I have two black bags already. Like the one I bought from. I bought one from. The last one I bought it from Rainbows, and the first one I bought it from. What's that place? Is it Boo? Yeah, Boohoo. Let's see how much the price is for the other black bag. Cause that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for the price. Oh, here it is. Why is it on Amazon and it's not on Macy's? Like, what? That don't make sense. Like, what? Let me see. So this is the one I'm looking for. Go on Amazon. Like, why is it on Amazon? This is the bag I'm looking for on Macy's. Well, it's on Amazon for $98. I think that was the price I saw it for in the store. A nice bag though, but I don't know. I'm not paying $98 for it. I'm gonna wait until it go on sale, and I'm pretty sure it will. It's the same exact bag. Same exact bag. But I'm not paying $98 for that. They have different colors too. They have this color. And they have beige. Maybe I should get that color instead of black. Because you know I have a black bag already. I have two black bags already. I should get this color instead. But I think the black one look more fancy, more, it look just more, look better. Okay, so I'm gonna look for the name. It says Guest Leader Convertible Crossbody Flap. Oh, they have the clutch. I was about to, I was about to be so hyped because I thought it was the bag for $28. Like, what? But it's a clutch. They don't have the bag. I can't find the bag. Where's that bag? I think it's sold out. Have to be. That's exactly what happened. Sold out. Yeah, because I kept scrolling. I'm like, where is this bag? I'm keep that in mind though. Macy's always have sale though. Like on the app. Usually on Mondays, they always send messages to my phone. Like sale messages. So I know for a fact they have. Why have the camera so close to my face? Yeah, they have stuff on sale. I'm about to find out another time. But I'm glad I ordered the blue one. Period. Oh my god, I'm so hyped. Cause I'm like, let me order this before it's sold out. Cause if it's sold out, I would have been pissed. Cause I was not trying to pay $98 for that bag. And I'm glad I went on it today to go look for it. And like to see it for $41 for one. Music to my ears. If you could get it for a reasonable price, why spend more? Be smart. Don't spend money just because you have money. Be smart. Take it from me, from my book. Whatever. Do what y'all want. It's your money. But I just like to spend reasonable, you know? I don't spend like crazy. I spend reasonable. If I could save more, I'm going to save more. If I got to wait a couple weeks for it till it go on sale, I'm going to wait. That's me. People say y'all might call that cheap, but I call it reasonable. I'm the type of person that use coupons, like for Popeyes. 'Cause I love Popeyes. I use coupon for Popeyes because Popeyes is expensive. Like, come on now. Yeah, I know Popeyes is expensive. So I use coupons for Popeyes. Use Popeyes for everything if you can. Like, why not? They're there for a reason. Use them. So I did get an email that part of my order is ready because I did order 2 other things yesterday. So on my email, this email right here. What I said, right? I said Tuesday, right? Look, it's ready. My bag is ready. So, but I'm not gonna pick it up yet. I'm still looking for that bag. But my order. Oh, face ID. Hold on. So there you go. It's ready. It's ready. And today is. See, it's ready. So like what I said, Tuesday, right? I was right. But I'm gonna pick it up Friday. Hopefully my other orders is ready by Friday. I don't want to go 2 times to pick up both orders, 2 different times. So I'm just waiting until the rest get there. Yeah, y'all see that's ready, right? But look now, look now. If y'all trying to get this, it's not gonna happen because it's sold out. Look at that. It is sold out. See, if I had waited, I would have been pissed. But I'm glad I didn't. See, when you gotta just do it right away, just do it right away. Because if you really want something, you gotta do it right away. Because, look at that beautiful bag, man. Girl.